one word from God can change your life. You're listening to Daily Prophetic.
There's a part of you that still remembers the things which didn't happen, the things that fell apart, the things which never became what you hoped they would be. There is a quiet ache, a quiet longing within you. But the Lord is meeting you in that exact place today, the place where disappointments have made you careful about hoping again, careful about looking for more. The Lord says, I know how to bring beauty back into your life, for I will bring beauty in place of ashes. I know how to surprise you with my goodness. Do not be afraid, but trust that I am with you. Know that I'm bringing the clarity that is needed. That clarity is available for you. I am the Lord who is there by your side, the Lord who is bringing my restoration, the Lord who is bringing my peace. Open your hands to receive, open your heart anew, for I am the Lord and I'm bringing my words of life to you. I desire to speak more into your life, into the circumstances of your life, into the places that need healing and restoration. To receive a personal word, click on the link in the top left of the screen or visit requestword.com.